Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today, I want to tell you the story of a young boy who was told he was not good enough. He loved basketball, practiced every day, and dreamed of becoming a great player. But one day, he received disappointing news. He was not selected for his school's basketball team. Many people would have given up. Many people would have believed they were not talented enough. But this young boy made a different choice. He worked harder, practiced longer, and years later became one of the greatest athletes in history. His name was Michael Jordan. Today, millions of people know him as a basketball legend. But before the championships, the trophies, and the fame, he was simply a young boy with a dream. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through stories, please subscribe to Everstory English. Your support helps us create more stories for your English learning journey. Michael Jordan was born on February 17, 1963, in Brooklyn, New York. Later, his family moved to North Carolina, where he grew up in a loving family. His parents taught him the importance of hard work and encouraged him to do his best in everything he did. As a child, Michael loved sports. He enjoyed baseball, football, and especially basketball. He spent countless hours playing with his friends and family and dreamed of becoming a great athlete someday. When Michael entered high school, he wanted to join the varsity basketball team. He worked hard and believed he was ready. But when the team list was posted, his name was not there. Michael was devastated. He felt disappointed, embarrassed, and as if he had failed. Many young athletes would have quit. But Michael did not. Instead, he used the disappointment as motivation. He practiced every day before school, after school, and even when nobody was watching. He worked on his shooting, his speed, and his strength. Little by little, he improved. The following year, Michael made the team. This time, everyone noticed his talent. He quickly became one of the best players in his school, and his hard work was beginning to pay off. After high school, Michael received an opportunity to attend the University of North Carolina, one of the best basketball programs in the country. As a freshman, he played in an important championship game. With only seconds remaining, he made the winning shot. The crowd erupted with excitement. His teammates celebrated, and suddenly people across America knew his name. Michael continued improving and became one of the best college basketball players in the nation. Soon, professional teams were interested in him. In 1984, Michael Jordan joined the Chicago Bulls. At that time, the Bulls were not a championship team, but Michael brought energy, talent, and determination. Fans loved watching him play. He could jump higher than most players, move faster than most players, and seemed to perform his best when the pressure was greatest. People began calling him Air Jordan, and his popularity grew quickly. However, becoming a champion was not easy. The Chicago Bulls often lost to stronger teams in the playoffs. Michael became frustrated because he wanted to win, but talent alone was not enough. He realized that championships required teamwork, so he continued working hard, and his teammates improved as well. The entire team became stronger, and eventually everything changed. In 1991, Michael Jordan won his first NBA championship. It was a dream come true. After years of hard work, he had finally reached the top. But he was not finished. Over the next several years, Michael and the Chicago Bulls became one of the greatest teams in basketball history. They won championship after championship, and fans around the world watched in amazement. Michael Jordan became a global superstar. His shoes became famous, his advertisements became famous, and his name became known in countries all over the world. Yet even during success, life was not always easy. In 1993, Michael faced one of the most difficult moments of his life when his father passed away. Michael was heartbroken because he loved his father very much. The loss affected him deeply. Soon afterward, he made a surprising decision and retired from basketball. Many people were shocked. Michael was still one of the best players in the world. Why would he stop? Michael wanted time to heal and time to think about his future. For a while, he even tried playing professional baseball. It was a new challenge. Although he worked hard, baseball was very different from basketball. After some time, Michael realized where his heart truly belonged. In 1995, he returned to basketball. His simple message became famous. "I'm back." Fans were thrilled, and the basketball world was excited. Michael quickly proved that he was still an extraordinary player. The Chicago Bulls became stronger than ever, and together they won 3 more championships. Michael Jordan's second championship run became legendary. His determination inspired millions of people. He showed that setbacks do not have to define us. What matters is how we respond to them. Eventually, Michael retired from basketball again. By that time, he had achieved more than most athletes could ever imagine. He had won 6 NBA championships, earned multiple Most Valuable Player awards, represented his country in international competitions, and inspired countless young athletes around the world. Today, many people consider Michael Jordan the greatest basketball player of all time. But his legacy is about more than basketball. His story teaches us valuable lessons. First, failure is not the end. Being cut from his high school team could have stopped him, but instead it motivated him to work harder. Second, hard work matters. Talent is important, but consistent effort is often what separates good from great. Finally, never stop believing in yourself. There will always be people who doubt you, and there will always be obstacles in your path. But if you continue learning, improving, and working hard, amazing things can happen. Michael Jordan once said, "I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." Those words remind us that failure is not the opposite of success. Sometimes failure is part of success. Today, as we learn English together, we can remember Michael Jordan's example. Learning a language takes patience. Mistakes are normal. Challenges are normal. But every new word is progress. Every lesson makes us stronger, and every step brings us closer to our goals. Thank you for listening to this story today. I hope you enjoyed learning about Michael Jordan. I hope his journey inspired you. And I hope this story helped you improve your English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and join us for more inspiring stories on Everstory English. Until next time, my friends, keep learning, keep listening, and keep growing.